I'll go to the birding area. Yan, it's already it's already 6:30. Yan, medyo madilim pa. Pero lamig. All good. See you. Malamig. 0 degrees. Sparkle gloves. Lamig. Yan, baba na ako ulit. 5-minute walk more. Yan, andito sa bird park. Medyo maraming ibon na, pero hindi ko alam ano mga yan. Nandito lang sila. Ayan, harap-harapan. Kita nyo. Tignan yung park nila. Meron silang ready-made for birders. May upuan, may silong, jogging trail. So balik na ako sa hotel. 1 loop. Siguro 5 kilometers din to. Ang lamig sa mukha. Yan jogging trail din. Good morning again, guys. We're on our way to Ikichijojoji. We're on our way to Ikichijojoji. How's your shoe, my man?
Pangit ng shoes ng binibenta pa.
Transferring to the yellow lane. Hindi na pa kami, so still sitting down waiting for the train. 29 stations. Yung DS mura, 65,000 yen. Going to to the sushi place. Ito na yung maganda.
This area is called Kichigoji.
Okay, we have sushi here. Ikaw na magturo ng menu nila. Iyan ang price. Busog ba? Busog? Ito yung bill, So, new lesson. Pag lunch, cheaper palagi. So, total is 8,000. So, good. Yan. Kichijoji. Tignan nyo muna presyo bago kayo pumili. Ragtag. Changi. Changi.
200 to.
This guy will give a demo of how to buy a
200
Vendo in
to.
Susukli yan, in Tokyo. So he's going to buy what? Dr. Keeper. So you put the coins, press, then get your change, then get your Dr. Keeper. Ting. Good job.
Ano kaya to?
Show them. Don't shake it. We're still here at Kichijoji because of this Nintendo kid.
Did they even leave did they even leave the country this year?
Nope.
Oh, see.
Ikaw?
Ano? Yun na ako umalis ng country.
Ako, malis ako.
Okay.
Infanta.
My first time.
Infanta root beer. At least this year pa rin.
We almost didn't go. Shibuya.
Oh, you were here. At least you're here.
Ano ba
2024.
yung Nintendo stuff?
Kesa 2025.
Rotting in the Philippines entire year.
Yeah. Where's Achi? Where's Achi? Chi. We're now in Shibuya. Shibuya. Yung Boteju dito eh. Let's go. Shibuya 109.
Oh God.
Huh? Shibuya 109. 5:30 pa lang. Looks 8 o'clock. 5:30. We're crossing the Shibuya crossing. Lahat ng tao naka-selfie. Lahat ng tao doon, tingin. Oo, malaki din.
Hindi tayo para mag-go. Let's go.
Oh, look what this person got. Oh, show them what you bought. Galing siya Nintendo, 26,000 yuan. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Uno. Sino yan?
Animal Crossing.
Did you get Yoshi?
No, hate Yoshi.
Kala ko ba hindi ka na nag-amiibo?
I only got one.
Gusto
Dami din tao.
kailangan may lisensya.
Hindi okay, scam yan. Okay, we're heading to Skytree. Tapos uwi na. Kasi wala pa kaming diner. Funabashi. Tokyo Skytree. I'm with Audrey. Audrey the cat. What are you trying to do? Dito ending in case of emergency. We go here. What's your order? Mackerel. Tokyo Skytree. Hay! Cherry blossom, imagine, no?
Ah, dito ba yung cherry blossom?
Oh, ayan. Finally here at Funahibajicho. Super antok. It's 10:30. I think, yun na, uwi na kami, then kaboom. Good night.